Hey guys, are you tired of having so many stuffed animals everywhere in the kids' room? Because I promise you I am. So I got this product to review and it's going to change my life. Is this gray over-the-door organizer. Now, this comes with 40 different pockets. Amazing. Also, these pockets are so large, you can fit so many stuffed animals in here. You can fit shoes in here. You can fit little toys in here. Whatever you need to clean up, you can fit. It also comes with the hooks to go over the door. Now, as you can see, there's 4 hooks. These are just going to slip right over the door, and they're going to hang in place so you can nicely put this up. So let me show you. So as you guys can see, I can still close the door, no problem. And so you're just going to hang these up. And there you go. There's so many different options here. I absolutely love it. So there is little boxes in the kids' room. I don't even know. Every single day we seem to have something different in here. But look at this, fits in here just fine. Now, for the younger ones, I can put their things down here so that they can reach it no problem. And then for the older ones, I can put things up here. Also, though, if there's things I don't necessarily want them to have all the time, but if they need something, I can put those up here. And those are the things that they need to ask me for if they can play with them. But like I said, we have so many stuffed animals. These pockets are big enough that I can fit these stuffed animals right into it, no problem. And then every night before bed, whatever animal they want to sleep with, they just go in and pick it out. So I definitely recommend this. I absolutely love these pockets. It can hold up to 65 pounds. So that's amazing. And also you can fit up to a size 13 men's shoe in here, which is unheard of. So I definitely recommend this. You can use this behind anywhere in your closet, in your kids' room, downstairs in the pantry, whatever you need that extra storage for. This is your go-to option. Go check it out.